How to get rid of flakes in your beard or bearddruff. Now, if you have a beard, you've probably experienced flakes or bearddruff at some point. Bearddruff or beard dandruff is just a buildup of dry skin underneath the beard. Now, there are some simple ways to fix it, but it actually took me some digging on YouTube to figure it out. When you do your research, you'll find tons of advice on moisturizing and oiling, and that's great, but there's more to it than that. The most important factor besides just good general hygiene and a good beard oil routine is to exfoliate. Now what I do is use a scalp massaging shower comb like this one. I actually stole this one from my wife, but you can get them pretty cheap on Amazon. So before and during the shower, you want to get into the beard with a circular motion, massage the skin underneath the beard and loosen up all that dead skin. And then when you get out of the shower, just towel dry and go through your normal beard oil routine. This will make sure that you replace the oils that were stripped away by the shampoo in the shower. Everyone is different, but sometimes during the day you may need to add a little bit more oil to stay moisturized and make sure your beard is flake free. Just don't get too carried away, because adding more oil could just add more buildup and lead back to the problem we started with flakes and bearddruff. Pretty simple, just be consistent and monitor it and you'll be good to go. Let me know if you have any tips or questions, and as always, I'll talk to you soon.